We welcome you all to Kushinagar, the ancient awakened holy land of India, where the blessed Sakyamuni Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana.
Handa dani bhagawe amande amiho, we adamma sangara abade na sambadeta.
Behold, O monks, this is my advice to you. All compounded things decay. Work diligently to accomplish your goal. These last words were uttered by the blessed Gautam Buddha in this holy place. These words, till today, reverberates around the world and make people aware about the purpose of life and the art of living. Let us start our pilgrimage from Pawa. After 45 years of teaching his noble teachings for the upliftment of human morality and establishing the power of thought to accept the laws of impermanency, Tathagata started his last journey from Rajgir and reached Pawa via Baisali. Present name of Pawa is Fajinagar, 22 km east of Kushinagar. This is the place where Buddha and his Sangha spent a night in Chunda's mango garden. After accepting the last meal from Chunda, Tathagata started feeling severe dysentery. He managed to walk 6 miles west and reached river Kukkuta. This is river Kukkuta, where the blessed took bath, drank water and rested for a while. From Kukkuta, he walked further west and reached Kushinagar. After reaching Kushinagar, the blessed Gautam Buddha sat at Mata Kur. He drank his last sip of water and informed the royal Mallas that he wished to attain Mahaparinirvana in their Sala garden. Let us enter into the Mahaparinirvana temple of Kushinagar, where the blessed Sakyamuni Gautam Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana. This 6.1 meter long reclining statue was installed here by Haribala, a rich businessman of Kushinagar, and the design and sculpture was done by Dina. After Mahaparinirvana, the holy body of the blessed Buddha was brought in this Buddha Ghat on the bank of river Hiranyavati. His body was bathed by this river water before the last rituals in Mukut Bandhan Chaitya Ramabahar. We are now in Mukut Bandhan Chaitya Ramabahar. This is the place where the holy body of Sakyamuni Gautam Buddha was pyred. It is believed that Mahakashyapa, with his 500 followers, when reached the feet of Buddha, Buddha's feet touched his forehead as a mark of his blessings, and fire caught automatically. When the body was burned, fire extinguished by the showers of rain. This was the relic distribution council hall of the royal Mallas. After the last rituals, the relics of the blessed Gautam Buddha were preserved here and distributed among 8 kings. Visiting all these beautiful historical places is more easy now with the latest international airport at Kushinagar. Hotels and restaurants highlight the incredible hospitality of this holy city. We welcome you all to Kushinagar.